In Flutter, an enum is a special type that allows you to define a collection of constant values. These values are symbolic names for a set of related items. Enums are often used when you need to represent a fixed number of options or states in your code, like days of the week, user roles, colors, or directions. Here's how you declare an enum in Dart. In this example, user role is the enum, and it has 3 possible values: admin, user, and guest. Once you've defined an enum, you can use it to store and compare values. Now, let's look at a small example where we check a user's status, online or offline, and display a message and icon based on the status. Create a new Flutter application. Create a new Flutter file named userstatuswidth.dart. Then create a new stateless widget called userStatusWidget. Define an enum called userStatus. Inside it, create 3 statuses: online, offline, and away. Next, declare a variable based on the enum. The data type will be userStatus, the enum we declared, and the variable name will be status. Pass this variable in the constructor. It is a required variable. Now, we need to display an icon and text based on the user's status. Return a column and align it to the center. Inside the children, we will first display the icon. The icon will be displayed based on the status. Create a function that returns the icon data depending on the status. The function name is getStatusIcon. Inside the function, we use a switch statement to check the current status. If the status is online, we return an appropriate icon. In the case of offline, we return a different icon. For the away status, we return another icon. Then, call this function inside the icon widget. Set the icon's size. Next, set the icon's color based on the status. To achieve this, create a function similar to the previous one. Name the function getStatusColor. Copy the getStatusIcon function and make some changes. First, change its name. Then, modify its return type to color. Return a color based on the status. Then, add a message based on the status. Use the same approach with some changes. The function name will be getStatusText. The return type should be string. Return a string based on the current status. Next, call this function inside a text widget. Before that, add a sized box to create a gap between the widgets. Then, call the text widget and pass the function inside it. Set the size of the text using text style. Now, open the main.dart file and call this widget inside it. Import the file. Call the widget inside the body. Pass the status using the enum we created. This demonstrates the use of enums. An enum is a special type that allows you to define a collection of constant values. Thank you for watching.